How to grow miniature roses. Miniature roses can be grown indoors or outdoors. Like full-sized roses, they come in a variety of colors, including red, pink and white. After you plant these miniature roses in a pot, a container or your garden, follow the proper techniques to help them grow. Plant your miniature roses in a 6-inch plastic or ceramic pot if you're growing them indoors. Plant your roses into your garden if you're growing them outdoors. Use potting soil combined with peat moss to loosen the soil for proper air circulation and growth. Keep your outdoor miniature roses in the sunlight. Place your plants in a sunlit window or under fluorescent shop lights if you keep them indoors. The light bulbs should be 2 to 4 inches above the plants. Lighting the plants for at least half the day is necessary to produce as many blooms as possible. Water the miniature roses at least every other day, but allow the soil to slightly dry out from time to time to prevent overwatering. Add a pebble tray with water underneath your pots to add humidity to the plants. This is especially helpful if the indoor air is dry. Rinse the tops and undersides of the leaves to prevent pests from attacking the miniature roses. Spray a soap or alcohol-based solution onto the plants to get rid of the pests. If using alcohol, wait until it dries on the plants before putting them back into the heat and sunlight. Tips Warnings. Using a pebble tray helps to support the soil in your miniature rose pot. Whenever water in the pot evaporates from the soil, the tray adds extra humidity to the plant between waterings. Don't overwater your miniature roses, or leave them in a standing pool of water. Too much water can cause fungus and mildew problems, which can damage the plants.